The term scam is generally used for products that do not work, or for products that fail miserably to live up to their advertised hype. In all honesty, Provilus is not a scam. This can be proven by the fact that Provilus is an effective hair loss product that really works if used as directed. The company makes no claim of having a miracle cure. In addition, Provilus sticks with cold hard facts. For example, Provilus includes minoxidil, an active FDA-approved clinically tested, powerful ingredient, vital for hair regrowth. Furthermore, Provilus ingredients contain a host of natural substances like zinc, magnesium, and pumpkin seed. A trustworthy company wants to make sure that their product backs them up 100%. However, one must take into consideration individual results. Overall reviews about Provilus are positive. Nonetheless, no product works all the time for every person. This is proven in any industry. Therefore, Provilus is no more a scam than an authentic drug that claims to heal a particular disease, has favorable results, but from time to time is not effective on a particular individual. Please visit our website today for your free Provilus report.